Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a really easy hack to create a messy French twist. To start, leave some hair out to frame the face, and then I'm just going to divide the hair about an inch above the ear and then bring this round to the back and secure with a clear elastic band. Grab some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, apply it to the top of the head and then pinch and pull to create a little bit of messy volume. Now gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail and then just loosen up that middle section by popping your fingers behind and pulling it out ever so slightly. Now on that ponytail at the bottom I'm going to create a rope braid, so to do this twist both sections to the left and then cross the left strand over the right strand. Carry on doing this till the bottom of the hair. Apply some more texture spray and pinch and pull at that twist to make it nice and voluminous, and then tie it off with another elastic band. Now slip your fingers behind that middle section, grab your twist and pull it all the way through, keeping it nice and tight. Then you just repeat that process again, working your way up that middle section until you run out of hair. Then spread that along that middle section from top to bottom and then pin around the top and sides with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.